Want to know the secret of making sex last all night? It starts with the art of edging. Hello there, sex explorers. I'm Elle Eros, fellow sex explorer, adult content creator, and certified sex educator in training. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's often misunderstood but incredibly powerful: edging. What is it? And how can you use it in partner play and solo play? You will have answers to all of these questions before this video is over. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about sex, relationships, and intimacy. And if you have any questions or topics that you'd like me to discuss in future videos, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Now, what is edging? Edging is a type of orgasm control, and it is the practice of bringing yourself or your partner to the brink of orgasm and then stopping or slowing down to prolong the pleasure. It's an amazing way to build anticipation, to get to know your body better, and intensify your sexual experiences. Now, first, let's talk about edging in solo play. It's a great way to get comfortable with your own body and to learn how to control your orgasms better. Here's a simple exercise that you can try all on your own. Start by touching yourself and getting yourself excited through masturbation. And as you approach an orgasm, so you're about a 7 or an 8 out of 10, you slow down or stop altogether. Take a few deep breaths and focus on the sensations in your body. This should last about 30 seconds to a minute. If you have a penis, you can wrap your hand around the base of your penis and your balls and squeeze, restrict yourself just a little bit. And then, when you feel that you're ready, you can start to stimulate yourself again. But this time, you want to bring yourself even closer to an orgasm. So if you were a 7 in the first round, you want to bring yourself to an 8. Repeat this process as many times as you want, or as many times as you can. See how long you can prolong your pleasure. There is no magic number, but I like to do it 2 to 5 times with my play partners, clients, and in videos. Remember, the goal is not to orgasm, but to enjoy the journey and build anticipation, which is why I love edging so much, because sex in general is not about reaching the finish line. It's about the whole experience with yourself or with your partner. Now, let's talk about edging in partner play. This is where things can get really exciting. When you're edging with a partner, communication is key. Make sure that both of you are on the same page about what you're comfortable with when it comes to pace and the intensity of the experience. And here's how you can edge your partner. You want to start by getting them aroused. Keep building and building, and as your partner gets closer to an orgasm, like a 7 or an 8, they need to tell you. And the moment that they tell you they're close, you slow down significantly or you stop. Encourage your partner to take a few deep breaths. And during this time, you can trace the inside of their thighs, maybe even blow on their sensitive bits if you're feeling spicy. And when they've calmed down, bring them back to the edge, even closer than before. Repeat as many times as feels good for you and the person who you're playing with. I know I said this before, but it's really important to have clear communication and boundaries beforehand, because when you're doing any type of power play, there may be moments where your partner is begging for you to stop, but maybe they don't actually want you to stop. Maybe they're just playing. So that's why I think it's always great to establish a safe word that means stop, no more, or stop, it's time to let me come now, just to make sure that you're not frustrating them past the point of fun. And remember, what worked with one partner might not work with another, so it's very important to talk to each person who you're playing with individually. All right, and that's edging 101. It's a powerful tool for you to put in your sexual toolbox, whether you're doing solo play or partner play. Remember, be patient, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new. And if you want to see some of my spicier edging content, you can visit my website, larrows.com. See you next Tuesday.